Okay, boys and girls, so this is your overview video for the week in math, and this is a very short week. We only have Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So when we open up Wednesday's folder, we're going to continue our work with fractions. This time we're going into subtraction. So subtracting fractions with like denominators. You're going to watch this video where Mrs. Connor is going to teach you how to subtract fractions and following along on pages 345 and 347 in your Volume 2 math book. Then on your own, you have a couple independent practice problems to try. There is an exit ticket and we will meet at 2 o'clock to go over these problems. On Thursday, you are going to continue working with subtraction. Mrs. Connor is going to review how to subtract with like denominators. You're going to follow along on pages 349 to 351. Then you have a few independent practice problems to do. You have an exit ticket and we will meet at 2 o'clock to go over those problems. On Friday, you will continue now. You're going to add in like adding and subtracting, so multi-step problems using fractions. Following along on pages 353 to 355, you do have some independent practice here. There is no exit ticket today. We're going to meet at 2 o'clock to go over these problems. However, you do have a graded classwork assignment. These are review questions from previously taught skills. So you will need to make sure you get that completed. It will be going in the grade book. I'm going to go back to Thursday. I think that I misspoke. I'm not sure. I think I said that you have an exit ticket. There is no exit ticket on Thursday. I just want to make sure that I was clear. That's your overview video for the week. Let me know if you have any questions.